Your feet are screaming at you after 8 hours on concrete. You know that specific throb in your heels. It happens every time you spend a full day at the office or navigate a busy airport terminal. Most shoes look great but feel like wooden planks by noon. That is exactly where the seventh iteration of this famous walking sneaker steps in to save your sanity. We are looking at a shoe that treats comfort as a non-negotiable requirement. It starts with an engineered mesh upper. This material is incredibly light. It feels more like a supportive sock than a stiff piece of footwear. This mesh allows air to flow freely around your skin. Your feet stay cool even when the sun is beating down on the pavement. You get these stretch laces that make the whole process of getting ready nearly instant. Some versions even feature that hands-free technology. This is a massive win for anyone with back pain or just a busy schedule. You just slide your foot in and go. No bending over required. No fumbling with knots or tangled strings. Once you are inside, the sensation is immediate. There is an air-cooled mat insole that mimics the feeling of a high-end yoga mat. It gives you that squish, without making you feel like you are sinking into quicksand. You get a nice bounce back with every stride. The midsole uses a responsive cushioning system that absorbs the impact of every step. This is huge for anyone working in retail or healthcare. If you are on your feet all day, shock absorption is your best friend. The outsole is built for extreme flexibility. It follows the natural curve and movement of your foot as it bends. You do not get that clunky robotic gait that some heavy sneakers force on you. Instead, the transition from your heel to your toe is fluid and smooth. Now, let's be clear about what these are not. They are not high-performance marathon runners. If you try to sprint miles in these, you will notice the lack of rigid lateral support. They are also not meant for Rocky Mountain trails or muddy paths. They belong on the pavement. They belong in the mall. They belong on the sidewalk during your morning stroll. One of the best perks is the maintenance. Many of these models can go right into the washing machine. That is a total game changer for a daily driver sneaker. You can keep them looking fresh even after a dusty trip through the city or a long day of errands. The design is clean and modern. It fits in just as well at a casual office as it does at a weekend barbecue. You have options like black, navy, and gray to keep things versatile. The padded collar around the ankle prevents that annoying rubbing or blistering. If you have wider feet, you are in luck. This brand is known for accommodating different foot shapes across the board. You just need to look for those specific wide width options. This shoe represents a total commitment to daily ease. It is for the traveler who has a 10-mile day ahead of them in a foreign city. It is for the person who wants to park the car and walk to lunch without a second thought. You are getting reliability and a lightweight build that won't drag you down by the evening. It is about making the simple act of moving around feel effortless. This is about prioritizing your body over flashy performance metrics. If you value a soft landing over a fast lap time, this is the direction you want to head. It is a solid, dependable choice for the everyday grind that keeps your energy levels high. Your joints will thank you after a long day of standing. It is truly one of the most comfortable options you can find on the market right now.